Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So as per your requirement, I have added the controls where whenever you are going to make the copy of the month, it will take all the formatting and the formula with it. And yes, there's a category. So I made the copy of the file because I am logged out of this category tab on your main file, and I am unable to make any changes on this. So you can see the protection is there already. Um, so I have made a copy of it here, and I'll add a new category. But let me show you first the last available category. So it's another category. Let me add another category on here, category one, and maybe link one. Let me make a copy of the category two and link two. So this should be available on under this drop down, which you can see these are here. And whenever you are selecting any of those are going to pull the links in front of those in the category tab. So that's done. Now I have added some custom menus which will allow you a better view and better experience with this as well. So for example, let me delete these two rows. Okay, so whenever someone is going to enter a new entry in here, they can go to the custom menu and click on this insert a new row. Whenever they'll click it, yes, for the first time when they'll be using this file, they have to authorize themselves. This is the Google standard operating procedure, so everyone has to do only once. It says it unsafe, but it is completely safe, and the access you are giving to is related to only this particular sheet, not any of the file on your drive or anything else. So it's asking for the particular sheet. So now I'll go again and insert a row. You will see we have another row with a checkbox, and here you can type in anything. And when you double click it, you will see the calendar, which can be easily used. Similarly, here we'll be using any of the category, and this will get pop up right away as well. Okay, so regarding the protection of the file, yes, uh, only you and only the owner of the file and I, data handling, can access these tabs and make the changes in these. Otherwise, no one else can do this. Okay, so having said that, let me go to the next tab where you wanted to make a copy of the month file. So let me make a copy. You can either make a copy like this, duplicate, or I have added another menu in here, duplicate this tab. So whenever you will click on it, it will make another copy of it. Here you can see it has made a copy of month one. So on whatever tab you will be staying, and then you'll be going to the menu and clicking on this duplicate tab. As you can see, I was on this copy of month, and I use this menu to duplicate this tab. So it uh, created another tab on it and cleared the rest of the data as well. Let me repeat this on the month one again. You can see currently we have some data on the month one, but when I'm going to make a duplicate of it, obviously you don't want to have the same data on the new file, so it will clear these data as well. And you will always have the controls in here. Whenever you are going to double click it, you will see the that menu. You can always check the box. Yes, so that's it. Now let me show you the green thing. So once you have selected all the entries which are available, and the checkboxes, as soon as it will turn green 100, it will turn green. But if it will increase more than that, it will again turn red. So if you if you want to have the green color from 0 to 100 maybe, or maybe you want to have it, if it goes above 100, it should change to some other color, or maybe the red one again. But for the 100% it will turn green. um, Yes, similarly, the last one, whenever you are going to make a copy of the file, it will take all the controls with it. Let me show you the custom menu quickly again. So this will insert a new row, this will duplicate the tab, and for example, if you want to stay on this tab, but you want to clear all the data, all the entries on this, you can always use this menu, clear this month. So it will clear this. And yes, there is another thing, I have added an additional control. So you can see we have some formulas in here, but if someone unintentionally deletes anything, or you unintentionally deletes, you can always go here and refresh the formula on this tab, and it will, like for example, let me do it quickly here. If I'll delete this formula, it will remove everything. If I'll go here and refresh the formula on this tab, and it will quickly come back. So you don't need to worry about anything else here. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you. Looking forward for your response.